Okay guys, today I'm going to show you one of the most important things about Pinterest affiliate marketing, and many people are not doing this, and I know why, because this is really boring. But if you are serious about Pinterest affiliate marketing, then you must do this. Okay, I'm on one of my Pinterest pages, and here you can see I have 13,000 impressions in past 30 days. So what you need to do, you need to start making posts. And here you can see more stats for each of these posts. And you need to analyze each of these posts, especially those who actually went viral. Why? Because you need to analyze them so you can see why those posts actually went viral, so you can recreate that and make more posts that will go viral, because in that way you will get more impressions, you will get more followers, you will get more free traffic, you will make more sales and more money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So when I click here, for example, see more stats, I will come to this page here, and here I can analyze this post here. Here you can see 382 impressions, 24 pins, which means 24 people actually repinned this post, 6 sales, 0 followers, profile views 0. Here you can see when I click here, for example, on device, I can see devices, desktop, mobile and tablet. Most of my traffic is obviously coming from desktop. Okay, now these are really important information. As you can see here, impressions. Mobile is actually getting more impressions, but desktop is getting me more engagement. That is really important to analyze. Also, here you can see clicks, pin clicks. Here you can analyze pin clicks. You can also analyze saves and outbound clicks. Okay, and also here you can see more analytics. When I click here on more analytics, I can analyze my page even further. Here you can see 14,000 impressions, 2,000 engagement, 3 outbound clicks, 295 sales, total audience 10,000, engaged audience 1.7 thousand. Okay, and here you can see impressions. Impressions are going up and down, but actually, as you can see here, they are going up. And when I click here, I can also analyze engagement. I can analyze many things, and you need to analyze all of this stuff here. And when I scroll here I can see my most viral posts. And when I click here on view, I can view my post. And to also, you can analyze each of these posts. Here you can see by impressions, by source, and by type. And when I click here, I can also order this by engagement. And here I can see which of these posts actually get me most engagement. Like I said, it is really important to analyze this so you can recreate these posts, so you can create more posts that will go viral. Okay, and here you can get even more data. And also when I scroll here and when I click here on more filters, I can get more filters in past 30 days, past 24 hours, and so on and so on. And I can analyze devices. I can also analyze age. I can also analyze gender. I can analyze source, content type, data, and so on and so on. And I can click here on apply, and I will get those data. Okay. And also, when I click here where it says content type, I can only choose organic, so I can see only organic traffic to my Pinterest page. That is also really important because organic traffic is the best traffic. Okay? And also when I scroll here and when I click here and then engaged audience, I can get more information about my engaged audience. When I click here, I can get saves, pin clicks, engagement, and so on and so on. And also when I scroll here and when I click here where it says split by, I can also, for example, by gender. And here I can see gender of my Pinterest followers, okay? And as you can see here, when I hover over here, it is all 100% women. Women are engaging on my posts, men are not engaging. That is important information. And here you can see female, male. And also this is really important when I click here where it says overview. And then when I click here on audience insight, I can see my audience. Here I can actually analyze my audience. Here you can see most of my followers, most of the people who are engaging with my content are interested in animals. Then finance, children, fashion, vehicles, sport, and so on and so on. Here you can see animal interests, because that is the most interesting thing for my followers, for people who are engaging with my content. Here you can see mammals, animals, and pet supplies. Now that is really important because now I know that these people who are actually engaging with my Pinterest content, they are also interested in pet supplies, which means I can start researching further so I can start finding products, pet supply products, and I can start promoting those pet supply products, and I can start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Here you can see gender, age, and here you can see gender, here you can see location, here you can see devices. Like I said, those are all really important things. And also when I scroll here and when I click here on all Pinterest users, now here you can see dog lovers. Now these are only people who are engaging with my content. But here I can actually compare my engagement with entire Pinterest. Here you can see art is the most interesting thing on Pinterest. Here you can see photography. That is for entire Pinterest, okay? Here you can see for entire Pinterest age and gender. Here you can see devices. And also when I scroll back here and when I click here on compare, I can compare my engagement, my audience with Pinterest audience. Here you can see animals, 81% of Pinterest, of my engagement, of people who engage with my content are interested in animals, but only 29% of entire Pinterest users. That is still good because Pinterest is getting hundreds of millions of visits every month, which means hundreds of millions of people are interested in animals. Here you can see in animals and pet supplies, 15% of people, 15% of Pinterest users are actually interested in animals and pet supplies, which is really, really good because we are talking about millions and millions of people. And that means this is a huge market where I can actually make money. And like I said, here you can analyze all of this. You can compare age and gender of your own engaged audience and also of Pinterest users, entire Pinterest users. Here you can also compare devices so you can target more, you can target better your posts for desktop or for the mobile. As you can see here, now, like I said, this process is boring, but that is something that you have to do. You have to analyze all of these things here. You need to analyze that so you can know what kind of posts and what kind of audience you actually wish to target if you are serious about making money on Pinterest, if you are serious about Pinterest affiliate marketing. And also what I can do, I can simply click here on audience or insight and then click here on trends. And I can see what are the current trends on Pinterest. And you can research those trends to see are there any trends in pet supplies. And here you can see these are my trending posts. Like I said, you need to analyze your posts to see what is actually making those posts to go viral. So you can recreate those posts so you can create more viral posts. Here you can see what is currently going viral on Pinterest. Like I said, you need to analyze all of these things if you wish to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.